nodding. Amazing. So your safety is our highest priority, and therefore it's important now here in the beginning that you listen very carefully, and then follow my instructions during this tour. During this tour you will be sailing under many low bridges. When you sail under these bridges, it's important that you remain in the seat and you keep your arms, legs, thumbs immediately inside the boat, and then you're not allowed to touch the bridges either. I don't think we'll need it, but under the seat you need to know that we have laptops and smoking is not permitted on board. Og så skal jeg lige høre, om vi havde nogle danskere ombord, så kan I lige vente til mig. Yes, og er det sådan, så vi har en bil? Jeg vil gerne guide til begge sprog. Jeg har selvfølgelig